So my sump pump is running constantly. Yeah, after all this rain and it's soaking, although groundwater now is coming in. You can see. Make sure your sump pump is running because it still have groundwater around that can flood your basement. It runs like a pipe. You could get this out of here. There it is. So it's running. So if your pump fail, that is what all this water gets. Here we go. So just kicking. And you can see how much water there's pumped out. And it's going. So yep, people, check on your sump pump. Make sure it's working, power's running, plug in.